Hi everyone, Alex here. Continue with the Revit Multi-trade course from 0 to 100. Roofs, part 4. If you haven't watched the previous parts, go ahead and do it now. We're going to be dealing with the roof of the kitchen. This is part B, so we're going to be doing a couple of tweaks. If you remember, in the previous video we did this roof, and now we're going to be dealing with some tweaks around this area. Okay, so go ahead and watch part 3 before you come here. Now, attach walls to roofs, that's the next step. So we're simply going to be extending our walls so that they follow the roof outline. Okay, get ready, let's get started. And remember, this video is part of our Revit Multi-trade from 0 to 100 course. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now, because if not, you're going to be completely lost. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. And now this is what I was talking about. If you just do modify, join roof, and you click on this face, and you click on this face, see, it intersects it. And not only that, if you go to a roof plan, it defines your valleys automatically. And now here's something. If I go to my 3D view, this guy, yeah, he joined the roof, very nice. And now if I go underneath, that trimmed beautifully. Like you cannot see there too well because it's dark, but see, like from here, see how nicely it trimmed? I mean, I have to modify this a little bit, but see, like this trimmed beautifully with this one. But our previous roofs are not as nice because they were a lot more complex. So what we can do here, I'm going to click here, I'm going to go edit footprint, and I'm going to pick lines, this line and this line, and I'm going to trim from here to here. I'm going to delete this one. I'm just going to make sure I'm trimming correctly. So I'm going to do TR from here to here, and then we actually want to pick this line right here, and then we want to trim from here to here, from here to here, and then this guy and this guy don't define slope. This one doesn't define slope, and then this one we can delete, and we can finish. Don't attach. That's pretty decent. Now we want to remove this part and this part. So we can come now to this roof, edit footprint. We can pick on this line, and we can trim from here to here, and from here to here. Click here, doesn't define slope. We can delete this dimension, click OK. Very good, that's gone. Now we need this part to be gone, so we do the same thing here. Click here, edit footprint. We're going to pick this line here, then we do TR from here to here. We're going to pick this line here, we're going to trim from here to here. This little guy and this guy don't define slope. Now we can click OK. We don't want to attach. And now that's pretty decent. And then let's see, this part of the roof here, let's take a look at the picture. It just comes in and meets the other roof. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to come here, edit footprint. I'm just going to draft two lines from here to here to here, and then trim from here to here, from here to here, and click on these two lines, make them non-sloping, and accept. Notice that now it's asking us that the roof cannot be joined, so we're gonna lose our valleys. Probably what we want to do is again go to architecture and do some model lines here, here, and here, and then go edit our sketch. Then we can pick some lines. We can pick this line and this line, and we can do TR from here to here. Probably draw a little line from here to here. I can just take this one, make it non-sloping, and then here we can draw some lines from here to here to here, then shrink this one, then shrink this one, make these two guys non-sloping. And what we can do is actually delete this one here and then do TR from here to here, and we get these two guys not sloping. No accept. And now with this warning we can simply say unjoin elements. It's not a big deal because now we trim so we don't have anything major underneath, so that's pretty good. Now we can delete these two model lines. Let's delete also these model lines before we forget. And that's it. And while we're at it, we could click on this roof and edit the footprint of this one, and then pick this line and this line, and then do TR from here to here, and then grab these two lines, don't define slope. Okay, don't attach. We could probably join these two elements already, so modify, join, say this guy and this guy, and that cleans it up very nicely. Probably would be a good idea to, let's try to join maybe this guy and this guy. Very nice. Can turn everything back on, so I'm gonna go VV, select all, let's turn everything back on. So we can click on this wall, for example, and attach to this roof. And do the same thing with this wall here. We can attach to this roof. This wall we can also attach to this roof, the same as this one. This one here attached to this roof. This one here we're also going to attach to this roof, and then this one and this one we're going to attach to this roof, so this side, and this one here we can attach to either of those roofs, they're coplanar, and then this one here can attach to this roof, and this is looking pretty decent. And this wall, we forgot this one. This one is going to attach to this roof. Now make sure you visit BIMitUp.com. Over there you'll be able to log in if you already have login information, or if you want to become a member, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or with your email address. And once you're a member and you're logged in, you have access to a lot of good features. You can access your bookings from here, you can go to my programs, and even some free ones that I offer there. I'm running a little bit of a scholarship program here because I don't want money to be the reason why you cannot develop professionally. So these are all the programs that I'm a participant on, and these are the ones that I have completed. So go ahead and visit BIMitUp.com. Becoming a member is free, but I do not run ads in any of my stuff. So the creation of the content is made possible entirely from patrons and other contributions. So if you can, consider subscribing. I'll leave a link in the description of the video, and I'll see you soon.